In a peaceful forest, there lived a clever magpie named Mina. Unlike other magpies who loved collecting shiny things, Mina collected thoughts and lessons. One day, Mina saw a squirrel struggling to build his nest. Mina flew down and shared a trick she learned from an owl about building strong nests. The squirrel beamed with joy and finished his nest quickly. Word of Mina's wisdom spread through the forest. Even the grumpy old bear asked her for advice on storing food for winter. Mina never kept knowledge to herself and loved helping others. Soon, the forest became a place where everyone helped and learned from each other. Mina the magpie had taught them that wisdom is best when shared. Moral: respecting others' belongings and being mindful of our actions brings true happiness and friendship. Thanks for watching.